Welcome to Graceland.
Wow, this is not just an estate. This is a lifestyle perfectly situated in the heart of Independence Layout Phase 2 in one of our fast developing areas in Enugu.
This estate is well planned, fenced and gated, high-end security, 24/7 electricity, standard internal roads, drainage system, ample parking space, and a solar-powered streetlight. Our best-selling prototypes are our 3-bedroom bungalow, selling for 80 million naira, and our 4-bedroom fully detached duplex, selling for 100 million.
Our prototype all comes with compound flooring, tank stands, solar installation, and CCTV camera. Enjoy good life and dine like a king in Graceland.